yellow before you are dark. It's not
I think I have the best skin in the world. I will not trade it for anything.
Please, you need to be part of the people advocating, because a lot of people are dying of skin cancer and a lot of people
I respect people's choices. I mean, that's what you want to do.
There are lots of rumors flying around about how governors support entertainment and their practitioners from the state. Are you close to your state governor? Has he supported your trade?
Pretty much, yeah. He's been very supportive. I mean, I think my governor is actually one of the governors who really loves entertainment.
They said he bought you a house, that's true.
What?
You should be reading the social media.
Listen, it's not fair because you don't say stuff that you don't know. It's just wrong. It's just absolutely wrong.
True. This is an opportunity for you to always clear, because we once had a guest who had to rumor about her marriage and all that. This was where she played it and we were all shocked.
Okay, that's it very much in the market.
So that initial question is,
So are you
Okay.
getting married? Don't use that line.
No, you never say no.
No.
Well, I don't know for now. I don't want to think about it. I just want to live my life, be happy, and do my work, and leave the rest to God.
there's something that I know she is itching to ask, that you're not going to ask. She's asking it. This is not
Had a big bus.
Yes! It will not be proud we have yesterday Dr. Sid was here and we went all through. Yes. We were able to confirm some things that we didn't. So when we read something about it, this is the opportunity to yes. So let me tell you one thing I read. Okay, I read that one of the reasons why that guy left was he was saying that you are able to have baby. Wow. Do you like to
But that is so not true. That is so not true. So not true.
You have a child.
I don't.
Imagine that.
Why do you think social media was leached on that particular reason? Because
there's no smoke without fire. Without that, no.
Okay, you're married for about 5 to 6 years and you don't have a child. Naturally, people just think that this must be the reason. But that's not what marriage is all about. No, you have
he said that marriage is not about children.
No, I'm not saying marriage is not about children. I'm just saying that that is not the only issue people have in marriages. So naturally, because she didn't have a child in the space of 5 years, that must be why the marriage crashed. But people forget that there are so many other issues that may have happened, and the issue of childbearing might not even come up.
Well, you are in the face of the public because you're a celebrity. That's why I find it difficult, because a lot of men that are married to celebrities, they need to be very, very mature, because most of these people can't accommodate their wife, the attention that their wife is getting from all of us. Do you think that is part of it?
Okay, now are you trying to ask me what happened?
Yes.
No, I'm not going to answer that.